Welcome to the world of TrueBrow. Are you ready to unlock a transformative experience in brow design and repair? With the TrueBrow Global Training membership, you gain exclusive access to an unparalleled learning journey that brings out the best in your brow work, in you and your business. Sounds exciting? Every week you're going to join me live for a 45-minute deep dive into the TrueBrow System, the definitive foundation for all brow work. Forget about fragmenting tips you find on social media. This is a comprehensive, step-by-step, proven program designed for professionals who, in here, must be at the top of their brow game. This is what you'll get. It's exciting again. Let's keep going. Unlimited access to live weekly sessions. That's right, every single week. A personal TrueBrow System portal, your very own, where all sessions are on demand, recorded, ensuring you never miss out on valuable learning. Sound exciting? Shall I keep going? You will have the opportunity to finally immerse yourself in our expert techniques and discover the practical decision-making skills necessary to unleash the full potential of your client's brows. You'll emerge more confident, more skilled, and genuinely happier. No more guessing about your brow work. Each session consists of 45 minutes with me of deep interactive learning and a 15-minute Q&A. It's your opportunity to ask me anything you've got on your mind about brows. It's going to be fun, that I promise, engaging and incredibly informative. We understand you might be joining us from any corner of the world, and we've got you covered. Choose from the multi-class timings to find the one that aligns with your time zone. Isn't that just great? The TrueBrow Global Training membership is not just a course, it's a transformational experience. Join me today and redefine your journey in the world of brow design and repair. I'll see you on the other side.